Good afternoon, my students. So today we discuss about ligand substitution reactions in square planar complexes. So here, before that, in the previous class, I told you the ligand substitution reactions in octahedral complex explained by the cobalt plus 3, and this ligand substitution reactions in square planar complex mostly explained in the platinum 2 complex. So here some of the complex with the D8 configuration as usually are four coordinated and they have square planar geometry. These include complexes of platinum 2 and palladium 2 and nickel plus 2, also same time tetrahedral, often octahedral, the iridium 1 and rhodium 1 and gold 3. So these type of complexes are D8 configuration. These are eight. Among these all the platinum 2 D8 ions platinum 2 was particularly favor for easily kinetic because they are stable towards to oxidation state. Oxidation compared with the rhodium 1 and iridium 1 relatively easily synthesized. So the synthesis also very easy compared with the remaining complexes. They undergoes ligand exchange reaction at low rate. So if the fast rate at low rate only the ligand exchange takes place. So it is very good for that one. And the rate reaction rate ratios for platinum 2 and palladium 2 and nickel plus 2 are approximately 1 is to 10 power 5 into 10 power 7. So here the rate of reaction of the particular platinum 2 is compared with the remaining two complexes, the metal atoms, is very low. When the reaction rate is low, then only we observe what is the mechanism is going on. So what is the bond breaking is takes place, what is the intermediate, what is the reaction rate, what is the particular ligand effect, it is that rate that incoming ligand affect the particular rate of the ligand complexes, or outgoing ligand is affect that particular rate of the complex. Everything in each and every reaction rate is very low. So here increasing the charge and size of the central metal ion, the complex is favor reaction via associative path. Hence the substitution reaction in square planar complexes. In the previous substitution reaction in octahedral complexes, cobalt plus 3 is well known explained. Again the dissociation mechanism is favorable, but here platinum plus 2 is observed in the square planar ligand substitution reactions in square planar complexes. Again it followed by the association path. So what is the reaction is going on? So here we discuss about that reaction. So proceeding the associative mechanism, consider the platinum NH3 taken thrice and chloride. It's the incoming ligand Y and outgoing ligand here is chloride. So this incoming ligand move to the from outer sphere to inner sphere. The chloride is moved from inner sphere to outer sphere. So the kinetics is described by a two terms rate law, which has forms. First one is the rate is d by dt of complex concentration is equal to Ks is nothing but a solvent. So anything if a compound is dissolved in water, then only we get that solvent. This solvent is undergoes react with the incoming ligand. So here the solvent path also takes place and incoming ligand path is takes place. So Ks is complex plus Ky into complex concentration into Y minus concentration, whereas Ks and Ky are the rate constants of the solvent and reagent paths respectively. This reaction proceeds via first one is solvent path. What is meant by here solvent path means the platinum NH3 taken thrice chloride. So you already know platinum means plus 2 charge. So here neutral this one, and x minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So the x is equal to plus 2. So there is no change in the overall coordinate oxidation state of the particular complex. We change that coordination oxidation sphere, the oxidation state in the coordination sphere. The water molecule, it is a solvent, so it is less was slow step. Why? Because it is a bond breaking step and water molecules takes place in the chloride step. So here the water molecule is a neutral, the NH3 also neutral, so the platinum gets plus 2 state. So the overall oxidation state is also plus 2. Again chloride is micro state. This is a low step. The next one is the incoming ligand takes place in the second day. It is a fast reaction. Why? Because the water molecule is labile, very fastly they exchange the Y minus and platinum NH3. In the Y minus I can again write here chloride. Again next second one is reagent path. Reagent path means when the incoming ligand is takes initiate the first step. So here it is also dissolved in water, again it is reacted with the incoming ligand, again it is a slow step. Why? Because the incoming ligand and outgoing ligand both are takes simultaneously, so it is somewhat slow method. So it is a redetermining step, again it becomes fast, the outgoing ligand comes outside. So it is a solvent, this is the reagent path and the solvent path. So the overall rate is d minus d by dt complex concentration into ks into complex concentration plus ky into complex concentration y minus. Okay, so it is nothing but ky. So rate involves the associative path through in the solvent path. That solvent is nothing but water molecule is replaced by chloride in the slow step and simultaneously replaced by the chloride in rapid step. The reaction proceeds through the SN2 mechanism. This is because of the direct replacement of the leaving group by nucleophile. So this is evidence when the ligand substitution reactions involved in the associative mechanism. The next one, in examination they ask what is the ligand substitution reaction. You can write up to this level. If you in some of the examination they have the difficult question, it is not in your syllabus, but it is evidence in the favor of associative mechanism. What is the evidences to the favor for the association mechanism? This means variation of the charge of the complex has only a slight effect on the following data. So here the overall charge is nothing but the complex concentration here. So here platinum Cl4, it is a chlorides, 4 chlorides, so x minus 4 is equal to minus 2, then only x is equal to plus 2. So here platinum always in plus 2 charge. So in the solvent path 3.9 and reagent path it is like greater than 3, whereas one of the amine is replaced by the chloride. So here we get this one and 5.6 and like greater than 3. Whereas here another amine is replaced by the chloride. We have two possibilities. First one is cis and the other one is trans. But compared to the cis, we have trans is more stable. So here trans is 9.8. Okay? They compare with the rate of a particular reaction. 9.8 is greater than 8. So here the platinum Cl3 is taken, another chloride also replaced by the ammonia. So here and platinum and is taken thrice chloride, again the rate is 2.6 and 7. So here the trans effect has more rate of reaction compared with them. That means when the trans effect is undergoes particular concept. So in examination they ask trans effect. This trans effect discussed in later. The intensity of the rate of the charge of the complex is characteristics of the association process, where bond making and bond breaking are comparably important. So it is nothing but like this. Bond making and bond breaking both are comparably important in the association. That's why. So here the association means addition of ligand. So the coordination number 4 is increased as coordination number 5. So this is one of the favorable for the next one. But in case of the octahedral complexes of trans cobalt NH3 4 times Cl2, hydrolysis is approximately 100 times faster than the cobalt NH3 5 times chloride. So it is nothing but here trans, it is not trans compound, it is normal compound. So an increasing in the steric hindrance, the complex is accompanied by the decreasing the reactivity. Steric hindrance means the incoming ligands, the already ligands which are not replaceable, these ligands size is more. So this has effect again that rate of the reaction. For example, is a series of cis and trans molecules. So it is a cis product, is a trans product. Whereas complex shows this reaction with pyridine and ethanol and solution, it marked with decrease in the rate of reaction, where alkyl varied with the phenyl and orthotosyl and methyl group of cis and trans. The ratio rate is 1 lakh to cis products. First 1 lakh to 202 ratio into 1 for cis product, 130 is to 6 into is to 1 is for the trans product. Against to the steric acceleration exhibited by the cobalt plus 3 complexes. So here the nickel compare with them in the nickel complexes, the rate of reaction is more or less compared with the cobalt plus 3. Again, this is the evidences which are carried for the ligand substitution reaction. The next one is factors affecting the rate of substitution reactions in square planar complexes. First one is nature of the entering group. Entering group means incoming ligand. So this incoming ligand affinity is more. So it is strongly replaced with the outgoing ligand. So the rate of substitution reaction of octahedral complex generally independent of the nature of the substitution. But in case of substitution reaction in square planar, the rate is reagent is dependent. For example, your rate of the substitution reactions of trans platinum pyridine taken twice chloride, where the Y minus is cyanide and iodide, and what do you call it is phenyl or thiophenyl, and bromide and NH2OH and azide and O2 in methyl alcohol solution is given compared to this one. In this place of Y, we can take all these type of ligands. We observe number of studies. What is a solvent path? What is the reagent path? So then only we observed if the ligand substitution reaction takes place in the particular these complexes are, the incoming ligand effect is more compared with the outgoing one. So the rate is equal to the complex concentration into the Ks plus Ky minus concentration, with the complex concentration rate by complex concentration K observed, and Ks plus Ky into Cl minus Ks plus Ky. So it is a Y is equal to mx plus C pattern. So we get the Ks is the intercept and Ky is the slope. So in case of Y, we get more type of ligands. Again, we observed the different of slopes, like this is a positive slopes, they are the negative slopes. So here